Good morning, baby girl. Happy Easter.
Get the beer.
For our buffet today, we're going to have Black Forest ham and smoked turkey for sandwiches, obviously assorted cheeses and breads. We're going to have tater tots with sour cream, cheddar cheese, and bacon bits, okay? And then we also have a fruit tray. We have a vegetable tray as well. And then some nuts and some other cheeses that we've selected with some crackers. And then we have, for dessert, we're going to have cookies and chocolates. And for a special little deal, we got straight from France a pull-apart bread that we're baking. And it is got Gruyere cheese and Parmesan cheese and cheddar cheese. And then you pull it apart. And it's got a variety of spices and garlic. So it should be, it's smelling really good. So
Okay.
Anyway, there you go. So we'll be ready in about 10 minutes.
I got it.
Hey John, can you help them? I'm gonna run to the restroom real quick.
Okay.
Daddy will help. Okay, Jenny will help you too.
Of course I gotta go.
Wow.
Sometimes I need a phone call, but you have still.
Wow, how cute. Look. Kennedy, here's your friend.
More stuff in there, Kennedy.
Look, they're all your little toys.
I don't need a friend, 'cause I
Alright, sweet girl.
don't need you anymore. Please just walk away. Leave me, please just walk away. You can walk
Say thank you.
away. Leave me, please just walk away.
No, aren't those cool? That's okay. So, your baby and yourself.
You found your tag.
It sounds good.
Look at this. Is that bracelet? Is that be there? Not for me, big.
The girls just got done opening all their Easter gifts, and I came out here so that I could do this where it's more quiet. The reason why you hear other children in the background is because there are other kids here, but I don't feel comfortable putting them on camera, so because they're not mine. So that's why that's going on, if you were confused. Another thing, if you're wondering what's in Kennedy's Easter basket, I did a whole video on that, and I will either link that below or put it in the cards or put it on the end screen. I'll do something, and so you can go and watch that. The last thing I want to say is I really want to do a Q&A, so if you have questions, please put them in the comments below, and I'll save them up until I feel like I have enough for a video, and then I'll read them and the username. Unless you don't want me to read your username, just let me know. But that's going to be really exciting to do. I'm sorry if you hear some chaos going on. There's a lot of people in the house right now.
They are. Ooh. Not in my face.
Don't make me laugh. Tiny lips. Oh, cool.
Hold still. You got it on your nose. What's up? I would say you're That's the first time I've really heard of that. Yeah. A deep pop.
Party's over.
Thanks